Alexander. Forget.
How old are you, Alex?
6.
Okay. And what is your project?
Control car.
Okay. Can you explain static parts to me, please? Is static moving or not moving?
Not moving.
Okay. Which parts on your robot are not moving? Okay. And what are the dynamic parts of your robot? Which ones are moving?
And wheels.
And your electronic parts?
Motors.
Motors. And what else? What is this one called again?
Touch box.
Or touch sensor? Right. And one more. What is this one?
NXT.
Okay. And can you demonstrate your project for me, please? So can you show me how it works? So what does each button do?
Moves.
Okay. Which sensor moves which button? Or which sensor moves which one? So one of them made it turn left, right? Can you show me which one makes it turn left? Okay, and which one makes it turn right? And how does it go forward? And backwards?
Not working.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Ooh. Yeah, that's a really cool car. So what kind of blocks did you use when you programmed it?
Move block, switch block.
Okay. And what was the most difficult part of this project?
The wheels.
The wheels? Why were the wheels the most difficult?
Because they weren't really working really well.
Because we chose the super great big wheels.
No, he actually switched them.
Really?
He actually switched it that way. It wasn't supposed to look like that, but he actually switched it that way.
Oh, so you solved it by switching it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And did you have fun making this project?
Yes.
Okay. Well, thank you for presenting, Alex. You want to say bye?
Bye.